Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Let's draw a nice pencil sketch for today. So I'm going to draw the face first in the beginning. That's why just draw a line like this and another line from the other side. This is going to be the ear. Mhm. And let's connect the 2 points. Awesome. So this is the primary outline for the drawing. Now we're going to put another line like this, and it's like a wave pattern. Okay, and we're going to make another wave pattern on top of it and going to connect with this point here. Now we're going to draw another circle, like the curved line looks like little bit half circle, drawing like this. Then do the extensions. On top of it we're going to put a shape which is looks like a dome or the half circle, whichever you like best. So it's like a complete curve here. Then just draw. Okay, and the line comes here, connecting this point. On the outward circle you can just put another lines and connect these lines with this one in this point here, so you can see the basic formations of the hair. Now, as you know, this is a braided here, so we're going to put the braids. Okay, so it's like a combinations of a same wave. Awesome, you can see here. Now just connect with the half circle or the bigger curved lines you can see here to complete the shape of the braid. Awesome. There's a little band at the end of the braid, and you can see the extensions of little bit here at the bottom. Awesome. Let's draw the shoulder and the hand of the right side. Then again another shoulder, and you can see hand on the left side. Just draw like this. Then we can draw a ribbon for the nice dress she's wearing, which is two folded, and you can see the parallel lines, which is a nice design for this dress. And for this teenager girl, it's a regular dress wearing in many countries. You can see the designs of the hatches like this, so usual outlines you can see here. Awesome. Now I'm going to put the eyebrow on the top. And eye here. First we are going to draw the right eye, so it's going to be a wave-like pattern, and for the left eye you can also see the same type wave-like pattern. Awesome. And put the eyelashes like this. Okay, so some details you might need. Now we're going to put two lines for the nose here, and in this point just we put the outline for the bottom outline of the nose, and little bit lines here for this one, and over the lips, and the lips has a certain shape. So first draw a line like this, and the bottom part of the lips I'm going to draw. Awesome. So you can see the shapes. Okay, now we're going to put some shades here. So for the eyes, just we're going to put shades from one side. Okay, put like this. Also the same kind of shades for the left eye, you can see here. Mhm. For the eyebrow, just make it thicker and the darkness becomes deeper. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's make it little wider to outline the top part of the nose. We're going to get a wide view, and the nose has a particular shade you can see here. Mhm. The lips, the top part is going to be little darker. Awesome. And the bottom part is less darker. Okay, so almost all the parts of the face you can see it's showing the regular sketch. Awesome. For the hair on the top you can just put some details of the formations of the braided hair. It has a special types of designs you can see on top. Okay, so it has coming up in the bottom. Then again here we are putting the designs and making the extensions of the designs of the hair. For the top part you can see it's radially distributed in the top. Okay, so designs, and we're putting the same thing like a mirror from the other side to show the complete finishing lines of the hair designs. All right, and this part you can see some braided parts here. Okay, and putting some lines here. Awesome. And I'm going to put another formations here. Okay, so other parts is going to have the particular attributes of the same types, so I'm putting the same formations of the sketch. Okay, and also I'm going to put the shades from this side for the braids and the curve on the other sides. So as you know, for these types of same repetitions or the unique drawings, you have to follow the same types of shading criteria. Okay, so one side is going to be the darker, another side is going to be the brighter. There's the basic principles for the shades. All right, and also more shades on these sides of here, you can see. Mhm. Just putting the outlines. Okay, so this is the styles, like everybody has a different styles of their hair braiding style. So hairstyle is also different for different girl. So the special designs just make this drawing very beautiful. Mhm. Okay, so this is the primary drawing. I hope you like the videos. You can do practice at home and you can browse through our categories to show or to see lots of drawings out there. We have so many collections and tutorials. Please follow the playlist and you can learn very easily. And if you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.